Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube. So today we're going to tour our 2021 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS. First things first, we have a bathroom here, a couple vanities with mirrors, a nice shower door that's made of glass, and a decent sized sink and toilet. Spacious for what it is. Over to the left, we have our dining room area. We did have a bench seat that is now the ottoman in the living room, and a couple of chairs. And then over to our left again, we have our recliners that are heated, vibrating, which would be massaging, and have LED lights. We did install a bigger oversized TV, and then we have the pantry there, the stove, microwave, and our massive island. We do have a residential size fridge, and then our little coffee bar area with storage above. Now we do have tons of storage in this trailer. In the living room you saw overhead storage. We have storage here, and then mass amount of storage in the bedroom. This is our absolute favorite vacuum. It's the Eureka. I'll have to get the information about it if you guys want one, but they're amazing. And then back here in the bedroom, you'll see we have a big dresser, lots of drawer space. Up behind the TV, that again is upgraded to a bigger one. There is also some storage space. We have overhead cabinets, and then 2 closets and washer and dryer hookups in the bigger closet on the right. And then in addition, we do have under bed storage, which is super great. And there are shelves built in behind the clothes in the main closet. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.